First lap. Wait, baby, wait.
Okay, tagili, talikod.
First lap.
Slowly, slowly.
Ah, talikan mo.
Slowly, come here. Can you do it? You need the help?
No!
Ah, may kasama na pala ako mag-swimming ah. Si nanay di marunong lumangoy, no?
Ako na lang.
Ay, siya na lang nanay kasama ko. Bah, galing naman yung paa oh. One more. Paa.
I'm going to ride over.
Wow, very good. Bah, yung kamay, gumagana na yung kamay oh. Bah, nanay, gumagana na rin yung kamay niya oh. Oh. Ganon, like this. Para mas mabilis ang swim. Yay! Nanay, malapit na naman siya sa rope. Over there. Nanay, malapit na naman siya sa rope. Close your mouth para hindi pumasok yung water, ha? Okay. Nanay, malapit na naman siya sa rope. Nanay, second winner!
Ayaw yun yung water, ha?
Close your mouth. And the winner again is Mr. Kem. Taas kamay. Pa-picture ka nanay.
Saan ka ba? Winner.
Wag mong picture yan ano.
Oh my God.
You need the help?
Winner.
Yes. Okay. Tata is here. I told you.
Nasaan ka kamay, baby?
It's very easy to swim, no, Kem?
Nasaan ka may picture para winner?
Oh, again?